Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Rakshanda and today we'll be covering a very interesting topic in geography which you can see on your side, which is the water cycle. So now I'd like to show you a figure. So you see this really big number on the screen, but what does that mean? It says underneath that it is the yearly turnover of water. But what does that mean? The word turnover means something that stays the same. It circulates throughout the year. So this is the amount of water that circulates throughout the year on our planet. So it evaporates and it comes down and the total volume of water more or less remains the same. Now, the next point is, what is the water cycle? On the screen beside me, you can see that it is the process by which water continually changes its form, circulates between the ocean, land, and the atmosphere. Now, like all cycles that in nature, it has a lot of steps. And the steps are listed right beside me. So the first step is evaporation. Now, this is the phenomena that we see every day around us, especially in the kitchen. Maybe you go to make a cup of tea, you pour some water, and then when you take out the final amount, it is much lesser than what you put in. Why is that? It is because of evaporation. The water that you poured in the saucepan has evaporated with heat. The second step in the water cycle is condensation. The evaporated water molecules, they cool down and they collect together. This is something you see when you take out a cool water bottle from the fridge and you place it on the table. Outside the water bottle, you can see small water droplets. Now the third step is precipitation, which is just a fancy word for rainfall. This is something we see every year for many months, monsoon. Now the fourth step, which is often misplaced in textbooks and such, is collection, which includes two things: infiltration and surface runoff. Infiltration means the water that seeps through the soil, and surface runoff is just rainwater that flows on the surface and joins larger water bodies like ponds, lakes, or maybe even oceans. Now, the next thing that you see beside me is a diagrammatic representation of what a water cycle looks like. So if you see, you can see all the steps and they make a full circle. So it keeps continuing on and on. Now here is a fun activity. Take 2 seconds and name the process. Write down in the comment section what is process number 1, what is step number 2, and what is step number 3. Now here is a flow chart to organize the information that I have given you. That the water cycle exists in two forms. One is gaseous and the other one is liquid. Gaseous includes steps of evaporation and condensation, and liquid include precipitation and collection. Now here is another fun activity for you, which includes connecting the texts. Now that is all from my side. Thank you, and I'll see you again for the next video.